Hi, my name's Shane over here at the Orchard Park location of Colton RV. Today we're going to go over battery maintenance and storage. So we're going to start off with hooking up your battery. So it sounds a little redundant, but hooking up your battery, you're going to be taking your red wire goes positive, put your nut on. Black wire is always negative, put it on your negative side. Then you always want to make sure your battery lugs are tight. Alright, so after that, set your batteries all in. One of the things today we're going to go over right here is where you fill your batteries with distilled water. It's going to be kind of hard to see with videos in the video, but you'll see when you look in here, you'll see where you have to fill it up with distilled water. Distilled water only, and nothing else but distilled water should be put into your battery. You should always make sure that your water levels are checked prior to using your coach every time. Also, we'll go over checking battery voltage. This is just a cheapo $20 meter that you can buy anywhere, Harbor Freight, Lowe's. You want your number to be sitting somewhere around 12.6. That's a fully charged battery. You put red on positive, black on negative, and you will see here you want a number around 12.6. 12.6 is a fully charged battery. When you see a number going under 12, you need to get your battery on charge. You can charge your battery by simply plugging in your unit, shore power, or taking your battery off and putting it on a trickle charger. So when it comes to storing your battery during the winter time, a fully charged battery will not freeze. When your battery starts losing charge, that's when it freezes. So a common misconception is people during the winter time, they take their batteries out and they store them away. That's all fine and dandy, but if your battery's fully charged, all you have to do is take your red wire and your black wire off your battery and it is completely fine. Now, one way to keep the life of your battery is cleaning your terminals, using a battery terminal protector, and then also putting dielectric grease also on your terminals. All three of these products can be found here at Colton RV or your local hardware store. If you do choose the option of taking your battery out of your unit, just make sure you store it somewhere off the ground. And your battery, with all these things, and if you're not letting your battery die every time you use it, battery life should be between 3 to 7 years. If you're constantly letting your battery die and then charging it back up, your battery life is going to be between 6 to 12 months. So those are my pointers today here on batteries. If you have any questions, please come on down to Orchard Park location or any of our locations here at Colton RV, where you can talk to a technician or a service member to help you.